I want more and more children to join, please. Now, today's topic is very, very important. As you can see on the blackboard, is my blackboard visible to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So we talk about art integration. Now, in this, you will be making a file. Punch sheets will be used just as you use one side blank, the other side ruled. First point to be noted is your project will be made on a punch sheet in a file. Okay. Now the project's name is the topic that it is. Please write down the name of the topic. It is folk music and musical instruments of Meghalaya. I repeat, folk music and musical instruments of Meghalaya. Now, before we begin, you will make a punch sheet. The first page, that will be your covering page. Please note down the details which it needs urgently and by all means. First thing, your name. Your full name, complete name should be there. Number 2, class, section. Okay. Number 3, roll number. Number 4, your school. Complete name. Saint Joseph Cathedral School. Got it? After that comes the subject. Now you will write art integration. Is my blackboard visible? Number 6.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this all has to be written on the first page.
All this is written on the first page. Yes. Page 1. Okay. Now don't write art integration on top. I have written art integration because I want to tell you what we are doing. This is the format you will follow. Now write down the topic. Folk music and musical instruments of Meghalaya.
Ma'am, we have to make the project with the blue and black pen only.
No, any color. Session 2021, 2022. Now comes the latest and the important. Father's name.
Ma'am, we can't see the 8th one.
I'm turning the cameras, don't worry. And ninth, mother's name. I'm turning the cameras to the lower limits, don't worry. These are the details. Can you see now? Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
now? This class is very, very important from the point of view of your work. If you miss this class, you will not understand. This is the first page. Now coming on to the next important thing. Now there will be 5 major subjects in which the subject teachers will be giving you the work. Each one of you will do 1-page work. Clear? Now coming on to, before I tell you what the topic for English would be, let me talk about the second page. Now the second page will have the headings like this. Can you see the blackboard? Can you see this side of the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 2, you will make the index. Okay? Index.
Can you please repeat?
You will make the index. I will move off from here. Wait. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Then subject. And then major part or topic. Okay. Now subject would be English. After that, it would be Hindi. The arrangement, please make this English, Hindi, maths, science, and social science. This will be the order. Okay. Now for English, that is taken by me, right? So I will be telling you the English topic. Hindi teacher will be telling you the Hindi topic. Maths will integrate with maths. Science and social science teachers will deal with that. Now, science, most probably out of the 3, physics, chemistry, bio, one teacher will give you the project. And each project should have only 1-page work. You have to concise your writing or you have to concise your content. Do whatever, it should not exceed 1 page. Decoration, totally on you. Give it a best of the best decoration possible. Clear? Now, the topic for English, please note down. Please note down. I'm writing the topic here. Write a paragraph. Write a paragraph of about 100 to 150 words. Make sure your writing should be such that it should fit in. Write a paragraph of about 100 to 150 words on the topic was folk music and musical instruments of Meghalaya. So I will only take folk music of Meghalaya. I repeat, write a paragraph of about 150 words on folk music of Meghalaya. Did you get it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Excuse
Is
me,
that-
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we will write the heading this only, or we will write the paragraph writing folks of Meghalaya.
You will write the complete question first with the smallest possible block writing. In a decorative question should appear like a printed form, you know. लगे ऐसे लिखो कि लगे जैसे print किया है तुमने. And it should fit in just in 2 lines, not more than that. The question should fit in on the top 2 lines. That's it. Okay.
Excuse
Yes.
ma'am, as we do every subject, we have again to write page 1 name
What
class.
did listen very carefully. Why have I made this index here once? Because all the teachers will give you 1 page of project work. They will give you 1 page of project work. For the file, you will make 1 file. This is the first page of that file. Okay, this is the first page of the file. This is the second page of the file. And the third page will have English in it. Fourth page will have Hindi in it. Fifth page will have maths in it. Sixth page will have science in it. And seventh page will have social science in it. Only 7-page projects.
So, ma'am,
Listen, 5 pages of these topics and 2 pages. This is the first page and this is the second page. These are the 2 additional pages only which you will make. The cover page, index. Yes.
Ma'am, the cover page we have to attach with all the subject, like ma'am, no.
Why are you getting into trouble, huh? 7 pages कैसे ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाएंगे उससे? You don't listen to me and then you come up with silly ideas. What am I saying? This is the first page and the cover page covering everything. That is the second page covering everything. Then your topics will be given by your teachers. Subject teachers will give you the topics. Okay, and all has to be compiled in 1 page, 1 file. That means only 7 pages are there. So why are you asking this question that you do it for every teacher? If you do this for every teacher, what is the point of making this index? This is for your 6A class in art integration project. That's it. Yes, next.
Ma'am, we have to make a file for this project.
Yes. Very
And
intelligent.
Ma'am, we have to write English when we are doing English page in the top.
On top, English के topic वहां पे लिखा हुआ है ना, वहां पर वो लिख देना. First page is English. इसके beginning of the top पे जो ऊपर होती है, boundary से भी ऊपर जो punch page होगा, उसमें top पर English लिख देना.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That you can use your sense and do that. Acha. Now, once you write about this paragraph on folk music of Meghalaya, you will have a blank side. ये third page का work है ना, ये तो third page का work है, ठीक है? इसका जो blank side है, इस page का page 2 का blank side आएगा आपके इस page के सामने. उस blank side पर आप photographs stick करोगे. At least 2-3. It should look very beautiful. It should be very neatly stuck. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, we can also
Now,
put stick
you can.
ons.
Yes, any. Once all the project work is done, that means all the subject teachers have given you the project, which they will give you today, no doubt. All the teachers will give. If they do not give, remind them that the teacher has asked, the class teacher has asked that the subject teachers should give something related to this topic called folk music and musical instruments of Meghalaya. They have to use this topic in various fields, even in maths. Okay, at what angle is that instrument made? Maybe whatever she tells you, but they have to get it all integrated into this. Now listen very carefully. Once the teacher gives you all these 5 topics from different class subject teachers, you'll get those topics. Most probably she'll give, all the teachers will give you today. Please start making them. The last day of submission of these particular art integration project is 17th. What is it? 17th. Now comes the most urgent and important. The file. once you compile it in a file, supposing this is your file, supposing this is your file, okay. Now in this file, the topmost cover will be covered with blue color. Class 6 is going to cover it with blue color. What color? Please
Ma'am,
repeat.
blue color, ma'am.
Ma'am, blue color.
Blue color. Now the shades of blue can work, any dark or light blue, whatever you, whichever blue you find one, but it should be blue cover. And on top here, you will only write your name, class and section. Please note down on the file cover. You will write your name, class and section, roll number.
And ma'am, and we decorate the file.
First finish off writing
Yes, ma'am.
name, class and section, roll number, and name of the project. That is the subject, art integration. That's it. The written material should only have on the file, first page, only these details. Name, class, section, and the topic, that subject, that is art integration project. Art integration project. Then you can decorate the file, whatever place is left, decorate it. But the cover should be of blue color. Decoration is totally on you and you can do whatever. You should only thing that you should remember is the color should be blue, file cover should be blue. Then first page should have these informations, the ones which I've told you earlier here. Then the second page should have that index. And then the topics. The teachers will give you the topics. The order of arrangement will be English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science project. Clear? Last date?
Yes, ma'am.
17th. Now, I hope I have been very, very clear.